So this is a direct drive LG direct drive washing machine. So today I'll show you what it means when it starts making noise. This is the testator and this is the rotor. So the stator comes first, then the rotor follows. So this one, when it's making noise, bearings are worn out. It has worn out bearings, and also the oil seal, the seal that prevents water from coming from the back, it's also damaged. So you can see there was some spillage, water spillage. Then once the bearings are worn out, it lacks the balance, it loses the balance. That's why you can see this. This is the hull sensor, the rotor position sensor. You can see there was some friction here. There was some friction due to the imbalance. There's some friction on the hull sensor, the rotor position sensor. See, there was spillage of water. This is water. Water mixed with some grease used for lubrication. So when you hear your washing machine make noise, loud noise or a grinding noise, you should call a technician to look at it so that it does not cause further damage to the machine. This one was making a lot of noise. So this is the outer bearing. The most affected bearing is the inside bearing. There are two bearings. This is 6305. The inside one is 6306. That's the bearing. Those are the bearing numbers. So this is where we attach the hull sensor. This is where we attach the rotor. So I think now you are informed. But not all noise is caused by fault bearings. So you should be careful with you should be mindful of the type of noise it makes. This is a direct drive LG direct drive washing machine. So I've already removed it. Someone asked which tools do you need to remove the rotor. This is number 17. It removes the outside bolt. Number 17. So this one is attached here. Then we have number 10. This one. This is number 10. So you need 10 and 17. If you want to see the procedure of removing it, I have a different video in the video section. search for it, you'll find it.